Dear friends, good morning and namaskar. I, Jaswant Singh Kailasia, welcomes you in our YouTube channel Parag Germinates the Democracy. This channel also having an Hindi version named as Parag Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of newly launched political party Parag. We consider that this political party is first and the only political party of India. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we are discussing the contents of different chapter of these vision documents. Now in this episode we are discussing the chapter 10 of the vision document. The title of this chapter is that the ground realities of the so-called Indian democracy as it held as biggest, greatest and the live democracy of the world. Uh, in previous episodes, we have discussed the fifth part of this chapter. Now we are reading directly sixth part of this chapter like this. During the election time, how the psychology of a innocent common people is influenced and corrupted. For example, this very fine thing we took help from a scene of a feature film named Geet Gata Chal, when hero came to know that some persons trying to manage his marriage with heroine, then some uncommon thinking developed in mind. He becomes very uneasy. He observed that the issue of bondage of marriage like this, that after marriage he shall be bonded in the trap of marriage life and his liberty shall be over. These uncommon feelings of the hero has been projected very well through special effects. In the scene, a marriage ceremony place, mandapam, is decorated by means of trillings all around with thin ropes, textures, and arranged in such a manner that these ropes with small flags appeared like a cage in the mind of the hero, as that it is a big cage, and he feels that the he is trapped in this cage of marriage. In between these scenes, through technology of special effect, frequently for a few moments a small cage with a parrot is also repeatedly exhibited. The parrot of this cage shown as it is very uncomfortable, hence it is fluttering vigorously and trying to escape from the cage. By fast round movement of camera, shortcuts and sound effects, it has been tried to shown that the hero is in a very big cage and he has been trapped in this cage just like the parrot. Before, by thinking this, he is very uncomfortable, and this thinking is uncommon. Due to these abnormal conditions, he took an uncommon decision and run away from the place of marriage. In India, when elections are declared and a social atmosphere and social panorama is created through election campaign, rallies, roar of loudspeakers, flags, banners, wall paintings, hoarding, etc. This is exactly as same as that of the filmy scene as described above. Before 2 or 3 nights of the polling date, this panorama comes in a climax conditions. In these 2 3 days and nights, all the games being played and mind and thinking of a common voters converted as uncommon, abnormal, just like the hero of the film as described above. And when a voter comes out from its house and walk towards polling booth for voting, during this walking it becomes confused, hesitate, in mental tension. Then in its mind a conflict is appeared like that. A, have I vote in favor of such person who have given me money, wine, other materials? B, if I have not given my vote as per the directions of influential persons, if their candidate lost the election, then they may inflict violations, set fire on me, on my family and houses. C, I have to vote to the candidate which is going to win so that my vote can be good utilized, etc. etc. Our research revealed that the opinion described in point number C came mostly in the mind of a common voters. Here, at this point, our above narrative mentions through a scene of the film, feature film, in adhere to of which one part component nomenclature as different political parties of the ruling class is successfully floating the public opinion through election campaigns. In opinion survey, poll and other means as described above, that only and only particular party and or particular candidate is going to win the election, then mind setting of a common voters is being done in favor of this particular party candidate. Then what is there as a beeline, the putting of stamp, pressing of button is being started one sided on the symbol of that particular party candidate by the voters. Hence, as we are claiming repeatedly that there are totally absence of fundamental and basic principle of democracy, real public representation, proportional representation, etc. Friends, with this we are concluding this part of the episode. Thanks for being us. Thanks. Namaskar.